Christmas. May bangal dito namin. Okay, so ngayon, ang pagbubukas or open ng ating Christmas gift. So first, kay NC. NC Mateo. Wow, a Louis Vuitton. Thank you, NC. Okay. So ngayon ko lang bubuksan ang gift nila noong Christmas party namin. Yan guys. Very nice. So, I have my Louis Vuitton. Thank you. Like it. Okay, next one is yan, kay Atasha Chloe Kawile. Yan, pag-open natin. Ano kaya ang kanyang gift sa akin? Tingnan natin guys. Wow! Merry Christmas! Mag-box pa lang. Christmas na Christmas na. Okay, so mug. A Christmas mug from Atasha Chloe. Thank you. Thank you, Atasha Chloe. Merry Christmas. Okay. Next one. Ayan. Next one. Merry Christmas. Yan, kay Franson Christian. Okay. Franson Christian, ano kaya ang gift sa akin na napakagwapong si Franson? Oh, yan. Merry Christmas, Franson Christian Diane. Okay, so may paribon ang kanyang gift. Ang gift niya kay Ma'am Cecil niya. Ayan. So, what is this, friends? Okay, yan, wow. Yan. So, another wrap. Yes. Wow! Duyan. Duyan okay. Gift sa akin ni Friendson. Thank you, Friendson Christian. Papatulogin na ako ni Friendson. Yan. Very nice. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Yan. Matutulog na ako. Thank you. Yan. Okay. Next one is from Charles Lawrence. Okay, Merry Christmas, Ma'am Cecil from Charles Lawrence. Okay. So, ano kaya ang gift sa akin ni Charles? Wow! I know na. That's lipstick. Yan. Alam ni Lawrence ang gustong-gusto ni Ma'am. And another one is a Ferrero chocolate. Yeah. Thank you, Lawrence. Charles Lawrence, yes. Dior lipstick. O, diba? Bonggang-bongga. Kanina may Louis Vuitton ako. Ngayon naman may Dior lipstick. Very good. Thank you, Charles. Ano kayang kulay ano kayang shade ng lipstick ang binigay ni Charles? Let's see. Okay. Thank you. Dior, yes, yan. Okay. Tingnan natin ng shade niya. Oh, wow. My favorite is red. Okay. Thank you, Charles Lawrence, for this. Merry Christmas. Okay. Yes, yan na. Next is from Ayan. Wala. Meron pa pala. Yan. Next one is from Caleb Joshua Mendoza. Okay. Napakagwapong si Caleb. Ano kaya ang gift niya kay Ma'am Cecil? Okay, let's see. Wow! What's that? Yes, what? Kisses and Laila. Yes, please. Very good. Thank you, Caleb, for this. Sige. So, kisses. Bubuksan na ni Ma'am. Okay, isa-separate niya yung kisses sa Lailas. Yan. Medyo pinapahirapan ako ni Caleb. Ayaw niya yata akong pakainin. Char! Okay, thank you. Alam ng mga pupils ko ang favorite ni Ma'am Cecil. Yan. So, pinapahirapan talaga ako ni Caleb. Ma-scotch tape siya. Diet lang daw, sad. Pinagda-diet niya muna si Ma'am Cecil niya. Ayan. So, hindi. Siyempre, hindi tayo gagamit ng scissor. Mano-mano yan. Okay, papahirapan niya. Okay. Kisses. Okay. Sunod naman ay galing kay Julian Kameng. Okay, Merry Christmas, Julian. Ano kaya itong gift ni Julian para kay Ma'am Cecil niya? Okay. So, let's open. Wow, a black one. Yan, wow, a wallet. Tingnan nga natin kung may inipit si Julian. Okay, ay wala. So, sa January pa niya bibigay. Char lang. Ay, okay. A nice wallet. From a wallet ko sa 2023. Okay, next one. Yan. From Casey Gwen or sa kanyang mama na si Jel Collado. Wow. My former pupil. Grade 1 na siya ngayon pero hindi pa rin niya nakakalimutan si Ma'am Cecil. Okay, sana all lahat ng parents pasari na. Okay, yan. Kahit grade 1 na, pinilihan pa rin niya ng gift si Ma'am Cecil. Okay, so, medyo mabigat siya. Wow, it's a plate. Not one, but okay, 2 plates. Thank you, Casey Gwen and Jel Collado, for your gifts. Hindi niya nakakalimutan si Ma'am Cecil. Ayan. So, babasagin. Kaya, iingatan niya ni Ma'am Cecil. A nice.
Okay, what a nice plate. Ayan. Thank you. Okay, so another one is a black backpack from Miriam Verbo Galvez. Okay, oh yes. Sa loob niya ay may chocolate. Thank you, Mira. Oh, sarap ng chocolate yan. Favorite ni Ma'am yan. Okay, kahit yung color pa lang, favorite na ni Ma'am. Diba, Mira? Ayan, so a black backpack. Alam ni Mira na laging nagbabagpack si Ma'am. Ayan, so let's open. Ano kaya ang nasa loob? Oh, another sling bag. Yes. May laman kayang sling bag? Okay, so wala. Okay, meron pa ba? Meron pang laman ng bag? Oh, meron pa. Wow! A wallet. Yan. Meron kayang wallet? Wow! Yes! 1,000 peso. Wow, very good. Merry Christmas, Mira and Ate Pinky. Mag-insan. Thank you. Wow, very nice. My parents and mine. Merry Christmas. Wow. Thank you. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. More blessings to come. Wow. I have 1,000 peso bill. Thank you. So, may gagawin is pasukan. Thank you. Merry Christmas sa ating mga influences. Thank you, Mira. What a nice gift. For the last one. Kay galing Yes. Cortes Piñazo. Star. Thank you, Yasi. Sige. Like it. So, yan. Thank you. So, thank you for watching. Please like. Don't forget to like, share. Okay, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.